Viet Mechanical Company Limited. Known as the leading unit in the field of manufacturing and installing storage racks in Vietnam. With a factory scale of 11,000 square meters, modern production lines. Along with production capacity and experience in constructing domestic storage racks for more than 15 years, Viet Mechanical's storage rack products are trusted by customer partners and can be mentioned through the following typical projects. Selective racking projects are specially designed for the food industry, can be used to store input materials, preserve goods during the production process, and store goods after finished products. Selective pallet racks allow storing a variety of products in the same storage system, with a capacity of 10,000 pallets and a load of 1,000 kilograms per pallet. With a design of aisles up to 3.5 meters wide, and a maximum height of up to 12 meters, meeting the needs of storing food goods in large quantities, diverse types, fast import and export capabilities, with lowest investment costs. Selective pallet rack with wire mesh decking. The industrial storage rack project according to international standards was installed by Viet Mechanical for businesses and put into acceptance for use. Selective mesh decking are a line of storage rack designed with super durable steel mesh panels, placed directly on the racking system to create flat storage surfaces above. These panels are also coated with a galvanized layer to ensure increased safety and maximum efficiency when used. The height of rack is up to 10 meters. Equipped with 6 to 7 shelves, the distance between each floor is 1.8 meters. With this design, wire mesh selective pallet racking will be suitable for all manufacturing industries, especially heavy goods such as equipment and machinery. Outstanding capacity of 3,500 pallets with a load of 1,000 to 1,300 kilograms per pallet. Viet Mechanical aims to build an effective and safe quality selective mesh storage rack system, providing effective fire protection because of good ventilation and air convection. From there, the fire suppression system can operate well in the warehouse if a risk occurs. Double Deep Warehouse Racking Project. Large-scale heavy-duty industrial warehouse racking system for chemical industry. This is a heavy-duty rack with 2 to 4 rows of selective racks stacked next to each other to form a double deep. It able to store many heavy-duty items and products such as chemicals at partner businesses. The maximum height of double deep can be up to 10 meters, with the number of compartments and floors designed according to customer requirements. Outstanding capacity of 6,500 pallets with a load of 1,000 kilograms per pallet. This design optimizes the storage area twice as much as selective rack. Radio Shuttle Racking System Project. Automatic rack using robots technology have been successfully applied by Viet Mechanical to businesses in Vietnam. With the desire to apply automatic racking systems to the Vietnamese market, Viet Mechanical has linked up with multinational automatic racking partners around the world, researching and transferring technology suitable for the Asian market. This is a large-scale construction project, with a huge capacity of 11,000 pallets. By using robots to replace operators, a forklift robot can work continuously for 8 hours and can reach a maximum import and export speed of 600 pallets per day. Helps businesses optimize productivity, storage space, and bring economic efficiency. Carton flow racks combined with drive-in and selective pallet racking system are optimized for consumer warehouses and supermarkets. With the need to store a variety of goods from light to high loads, the use of carton flow racks are suitable for importing and exporting goods in carton boxes, ensuring that goods are not stagnant. Each set of rack is designed with 10 plastic rollers, which can hold up to 5 rows of cartons marked with SKU codes for easy import and export. For heavy-duty goods, drive-in rack with a capacity of 5,000 pallets allow high-density storage of products of the same type. Effective use of floor area and height, optimizing warehouse area by up to 70% compared to other shelves. As for diverse goods, they will be stored in selective pallet rack with a capacity of 8,150 pallets. The galvanized drive-in racking project was installed for a fast-moving consumer goods company. With the characteristics of goods of the same type as the partner company, drive-in racks bring maximum storage efficiency by eliminating aisles between rows of shelves. This warehouse racking system is designed with grooves to allow forklifts to penetrate deep inside. The storage floors are rows of rails to bring pallets up. Pallets are stacked continuously and next to each other. The capacity is up to 2,000 pallets. Each pallet can withstand a load of up to 1,200 kilograms. Mezzanine racking system is the top choice to increase warehouse capacity without building new or expand warehouse area. Mezzanine racking system helps increase storage area from 200% to 300%. The project has a floor area of 1,000 square meters. After being installed by Viet Mechanical, it increased the usable area to 3,000 square meters and increased the capacity to 3 times the actual area, reaching 500 kilograms per square meter. In addition, the mezzanine is designed with stairs up and down, a protective railing system, a safe corridor and a lifting winch. This is a specialized elevator system for mezzanine, helping to transport goods more easily. Above the mezzanine are 96 medium-duty rack with 5-tier used to store goods. Viet Mechanical is the leading brand in the field of storage racks in Vietnam. With 15 years of experience in the market, our products always meet international standards such as ISO 9001, 2015, and modern production lines contribute to providing a perfect quality product. Cooperating with Viet Mechanical, customers will receive sincere, reliable and customers' benefits are guaranteed.